As the marijuana industry continues to grow here in Arizona, one of the big remaining questions relates to social equity licenses.
These are licenses given to people in communities disproportionately impacted by old marijuana laws. As Elliot Polikoff explains, the impact for whoever receives one of these licenses could be life-changing.
Ariana Munoz has a rocky history when it comes to her relationship with marijuana. Multiple possession charges.
I had to have like an ankle monitor for a week. It was like totally embarrassing. It felt like it ruined my life.
Not to mention the impact it had on the rest of her family.
My father has been affected also by the drug war. He recently actually just got out serving like almost 18 years in prison because of cannabis.
But through all the hardships, Ariana's continued to stay connected to cannabis.
And it's been my dream to own a dispensary. And they kept telling me, you can't make money in the industry. It's not a good job. You can't do it. And that like fueled my passion in the cannabis industry. I was always like I'm going to do this. Like, I'm going to show you I can do this. I'm going to make generational wealth for my family.
Ariana's now one step closer to that becoming a reality, after living in one of the 87 zip codes approved by the Arizona Department of Health Services for social equity licenses.
These are $10 million plus licenses being issued. This is the biggest lottery that I'm familiar with.
Only 26 licenses are available, and any one of the approved zip codes must meet 3 of the following 4 criteria.
Having a household income less than 4 times the federal poverty level for 3 of the past 5 years, having a previous marijuana conviction expunged, having a family member convicted of a marijuana crime, or having lived for at least 3 of the last 5 years in an area that has been disproportionately affected by previous marijuana laws. As for Ariana, she checks all of the requirements, so she and other qualifying members of her family plan on applying for these licenses to better their chances of being selected.
I have very high hopes that I will win just because I believe in karma.
Applications for the social equity licenses begin in December. Elliot Polikoff, Arizona's Family.